Struggling to create smooth, realistic 3D animations? Do you feel like AI tools are making your animations look soulless and weightless? Trust me, you're not alone. But today, I've got the solution you've been searching for. In this video, we'll uncover the secret to how Quick Magic AI Motion Cap transforms your 2D videos into stunning, professional-grade 3D animations with ease. Let's dive in. Now, here's the thing. There are so many tools out there claiming to make animation effortless, but most of them fall flat. They're clunky and inaccurate, and honestly, they leave your projects feeling more like robotic experiments than real art. Quick Magic is different. I've tested it myself, and I'm here to show you why it outperforms the rest. Here's the real problem: animation isn't just about making something move, it's about bringing it to life. But many creators feel trapped, either spending hours keyframing movements manually or using AI tools that miss the mark. It's frustrating. Worst of all, these tools often distort movements, or when they do work, your animations feel dead. That's exactly why Quick Magic exists. It's an AI motion capture tool that's breaking the mold, converting 2D videos of real human movement into grounded, stable, and lifelike 3D animations that breathe creativity back into your projects. Today, I'll walk you through the step-by-step framework of how to use Quick Magic and avoid the common issues with AI motion capture. Step 1. Signing up is a breeze. Start with their free tier and enjoy 50 coins per month, enough to test out the tool without breaking the bank. Step 2. Upload your video. Whether it's a dance, a fight choreography, or just someone walking, Quick Magic works to analyze every movement and create a skeletal animation in minutes. Step 3. Export your motion capture data. Quick Magic gives you a variety of formats, so whether you're working in Blender, Unreal Engine, or Mixamo, you're covered. Now, here's the catch. While Quick Magic delivers exceptional results straight out of the box, even the best mocap tech has its limits. For instance, ever tried animating hands or using slow motion footage? It's tricky. But don't worry, that's exactly why refinement tools exist. Quick Magic even includes a 2D refinement feature, allowing you to tweak your animations manually. And if you're refining in software like Blender, you can enhance details like hand placement or adjusting movement speed to make everything seamless. Here's the kicker: using Quick Magic saves hours of time. For what used to take days or even weeks can now be done in minutes. Plus, combining Quick Magic's results with tools like Blender instantly levels up your workflow, turning even basic ideas into professional animations. And let me throw in a twist: did you know Quick Magic offers a referral program? Yep, you can earn more coins by inviting friends, for making it even easier to grow your animation portfolio. So there you have it. Quick Magic isn't just another animation tool, it's a game changer for creators like you. Whether you're new to animation or a seasoned pro, it cuts through the noise, simplifies your workflow, and delivers rock-solid motion capture results.